I will also give you three pictures that will serve as your clue. For the first word, second arrangement. Now I will give you 5 seconds to think for the correct answer. Very good if you got the correct answer. Preparing. Next word. Second arrangement. Again, I will give you 5 seconds to think for the correct answer. Time's up. The correct answer is interpreting. Next, for the third word, arrange the jumbled letters. Second arrangement. I will give you 5 seconds to think for the correct answer. Alright, the correct answer is technical. And for the last word, second arrangement. Right, time's up. The correct answer is drawing. Alright, based on the 4 words that we got from the jumbled letters, our topic for this day is all about preparing and interpreting technical drawing. Now let's define some unfamiliar words that you might encounter during our discussion. Unlocking of difficulties. For the first word, 2D. Do you have any idea what is 2D? 2D means two-dimensional objects that are rendered visually on paper, film, or on screen in 2 planes representing width and height. And for the second word, 3D, which means three-dimensional, or something that has width, height, and depth or length. Now take a look on these pictures. Here's the difference between the 2D or two-dimensional and 3D or three-dimensional. Again, in 2D, it has width and height, while in 3D, it has width, height, and length or the depth.
first is, we have the object line. Shown here is the example of drawing utilizing object lines. As you may observe, this line is thick, the purpose of which is to create the outline or the edges of the main drawing. It is also known as visible line. The next type of lines are called hidden lines, which are also a thin lines, composed of short dashes about 2 to 3 millimeters long, with the space between dashes about 1 to 2 millimeters. The purpose of hidden line, as its name suggests, is to represent the surface or edges that cannot be seen. It is also known as invisible line. Next, the center line, which are also thin lines. These lines are used to indicate the center of the holes or arcs of symmetrical objects such as pipes, washers, and bearings. The next type of lines is what we call dimension line, a thin line with an arrowheads in both ends, used to indicate the measurements of the object. Next, we have cutting plane line. These are thick lines used to indicate an imaginary cut through an object along the line, made up of 2 long dashes broken in one end, with an arrowhead and 2 short dashes drawn in between the long dashes. Next, we have section line, which are also thin lines same as hidden line. These lines are used to show the surface that has been cut by the cutting plane line. They are spaced evenly as 45 degrees, with the horizontal to make shaded effect. Let's check your understanding. Number 1. What does the arrow point to? A. Section line. B. Object line. C. Hidden line. D. Cutting plane line. If your answer is B. Object line, you are correct. Number 2. What does the arrow point to? A. Section line. B. Hidden line. C. Phantom line. D. Cutting plane line. If your answer is B. Hidden line, you are correct. Number 3. What does the arrow point to? A. Leader line. B. Object line. C. Phantom line. D. Center line. If your answer is D. Center line, you are correct.